Is it boredom that got you stuck onto TikTok like that?
Yeah, because I was doing nothing. I was stuck inside, and I couldn't do anything. Yeah, I didn't want to join TikTok because in the beginning it was like some kiddie thing, but after I joined, I couldn't stop anymore.
You like it? You like it on there?
Yeah, but they banned me from TikTok like some few weeks ago. So
for what reason?
Because Pop Skinny called me gay and I replied him, and TikTok thought it was so extreme, so they banned me.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You made a statement about you being gay. I don't know if it was just for fun or you really meant it. Could it be the reason why Pop Skinny mentioned that? Or
I don't know why Pop Skinny said that, because I've never met Pop Skinny before, so I don't know how he found out that I'm gay.
Wow.
But yeah.
But are you gay?
I'm gay, bro. As that time I said my name is gay, bro.
Pappy kojo in the building, man. So you're gay, bro, and that's how come you are gay.
Yeah, I was slurring too much. Yeah.
But truly, were you very extreme in your response to?
No, he had a picture of him showing his pubic hair,
right,
and his boxers were down and everything was showing. So that was the picture that I used, and I was like, "Hey, Charlie, you see the way they shut up? They talk about how me I the shut up,
and that's it."
Yeah, I think the pubic hair, no, they didn't like it, or it was, yeah.
Okay. So would you say you've been banned unjustly?
I think it was about time, because I was going too much on TikTok,
Really?
Yeah, at the point I was like the #1 TikTok rapper, so I think it was time. God was like, chill for now.
Chill for now.
So now I do my stuff on Reels.
But do you feel it now that you're not on TikTok? Do you feel like there's something off?
No, actually I don't. No, I do everything on Instagram now.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't. No, I don't. It's the same.
Did you discover something else about yourself being on TikTok? Maybe you realized you were a better actor. You realized you were better.
I don't know. Like you said, boredom. And I like funny stuff. I like comedy. And they have like comedy content on TikTok. So I just loved it,
And it really held you down.
Yeah. It kept me busy. It kept me busy. Yeah, all of that. Like it was I would say good time.
It was a good time for you.
Yeah.
Couldn't you have done that on any other social media platform apart from TikTok? Which other platform would you have loved to do it on?
I don't know, bro. TikTok was just different, You should be creative on TikTok, Yeah, it was just different, but yeah.
Did you get issues with, some of the things you put out? Did you get people giving you serious backlash for some of your acts, or everybody loved everything you did?
Oh, normally it was just laughs, It wasn't no one being criticizing me on TikTok. Why would you criticize me on TikTok? It was just for laughs,
For laughs.
Yeah.
And COVID has had a toll on all of us, but I don't know to what extent yours has been. Is it crazy?
COVID is weird, and it's different, Yeah, it's weird and it's different. That's what I would call it. Yeah.
So we're here to talk about all day, all night. Jeduble Ambule, man. Why Jeduble Ambule?
Man, first of all, I'm a fan of Jeduble Ambule, and since the album is called Logos 2 and it's themed around Takrade, the whole concept is about Takrade, So the first single that comes with the album, it only made sense to me to get the tycoons from Takrade, which is Jeduble Ambule and of course Kofi Kinata.
Okay.
So yeah.
What side of Takrade does Jeduble represent? I mean the hood.
Oh no, we the Takrade. It's not like cry with Nungwa people. They claim Nungwa Takrade. You can be from secondary set. Will claim you that you're Takrade.
But your man, they claim if you come more Kofi Kinata.
Yeah, if you come is in Takrade.
It's in Takrade.
Yeah.
What is that special thing about Takrade that makes you want to do everything around it? I remember Kwanzaa also has a series called asemensudu.com, and you are also doing a song about Takrade.
Yeah.
You come from Takrade.
Yeah.
Tell me something excellent about Takrade that people who are watching, who haven't heard or know anything about Takrade will lay a hand on.
First of all, it's where I was raised, that's where most of my family members are, so everything that I happen to know in life right now, I learned it when I was in Takrade. So I just have good memories in Takrade, and The album too. I mean, I teamed the album around Takoradi because of Logos 2, which happened to be like a ship that will like occasionally come to Takoradi every once in a while. And then when we were kids, we'd be so excited to get on a ship, you know. So that was the whole concept, you know, for people to want to listen to the album. Exactly. It's just good memories and good vibes. Yeah.
So Logos 2, I would say, is one popular name that almost everybody who grew up in Takoradi.
Exactly. If you know, you know. You know. If you connect. Yeah. If you know, you know. Yeah.
How many songs do we have on the album?
14.
14.
Yeah.
And it's All Day, All Night, the first one.
It's the first single that came with the album. Yeah.
See, where was the video shot?
In Takoradi.
In Takoradi.
Yeah. I live in Takoradi now, so I do everything in Takoradi.
I see.
Yeah.
Are you going to shoot all the videos that you would shoot of this album in Takoradi?
I knew this question would come.
Yeah.
I mean, I doubt, you know, because there are some artists on the album that it would be long for me to get them all the way to Takoradi to shoot to get a music video done. But yeah, most of the videos I'll shoot them in Takoradi.
You shoot most of them in Takoradi.
Yeah.
Oh no. Now, Pappy Kojo, you know, he's touched on his TikTok life. Now he's been banned. Like, what do you make of, you know, Pappy Kojo and the way he used this platform during this COVID season?
Yeah, I think he's one of the guys who really was active during the COVID season. I remember the times that he was meeting, you know, for a reason that
so to update you on almost every single thing.
At a point, I thought his plea for the government of Ghana to fly him down to Ghana was part of their ploy to stay active.
Right.
At a point, because I felt he wanted to be part of the discussion, to be part of the conversation. And so it was a good move. I mean, as an artist, you always need to be part of the conversation. And so I felt, I mean, in this period, he's been one of the guys who's been very active.
Right.
You know, relevance is not just about releasing songs. It's about you being part of the conversation, you being part of top of mind awareness. And I think once he was able to stay relevant, producing is it an EP or
it's an album. It's an actual.
So producing an album becomes easy because we're already on top of our mind, and so we gravitate towards the album easily. And so for me, I think that was a smart move to actually stay active during this period.
Right.
Yeah.
Boo. Your take on his tactic to stay relevant till now?
I think it's a good move, just like Arnold said. I mean, Pappy Kojo is somebody that I admired since he
Bless up, man. Bless up, man.
He stepped up into the scene. You know, he's very creative, eloquent. You know, I'm not a fan of giddy rap. You know, I like laid back. I want to hear what you're saying. He has that. You know, his style alone. You know, so for me, I don't doubt his creativity, and then he speaks up.
Right.
You know. Arnold rightly said that if you're just putting out the product and your personality is not attached to the product, you'll be missing in the conversation. So don't stop speaking up. Go on and speak up. I've seen the video as well. I know you're coming to talk about it.
Yeah, we're about to talk about the video.
Beautiful stuff. And I understand J.W. Ambule was the one who invented rap.
They say he's the first guy who brought rap to Ghana.
He said that before.
Yeah, in the world, though, not Ghana.
No, in the world.
In Africa.
No, just in the world.
In the world, hey, that one I know you heard before.
Yeah, they say before the first rap group in US put out, he's put out,
And he's done it. Even on your song, he's some sick bars.
But for Finam come sit here, make it tell we, you know. But I'm on to heart no good. I like it.
They didn't have to know good at all. Anyway, so guys, we're about to watch the video so we can talk about it. 0557190888 is the WhatsApp line. So after watching the video, whatever you want to say about it, you can send it to us and we'll read it live on air. So let's go for the video. All Day, All Night featuring Kofi Kinata and J.W. Ambule belongs to Pappy Kojo. Let's take it. Well, I'm loving J.W. Ambule on this one. Trust me, man. The vibe is crazy. So far, personally, I think the video is a super dope video. Yeah. But let's talk about the audio first. Arnold, All Day, All Night, J.W. Ambule, Pappy Kojo, Kofi Kinata,
First of all, I mean, previously, there was this talk about the fact that there was no unity amongst the guys from from the Western region, especially him and then Kofi Kinata. And so most of the fans were craving for a collaboration between the two of them. And if some even went as far as saying ISM should also join the bandwagon and all. So when I heard the song, I was pretty much excited. And he went on to actually add the legend to it. I mean, so for him and his team to say, listen, I mean, let's embrace Kofi Kinata and even add the legend to the song. That's a good move. The song is a good song. It's a good song. Slow tempo, laid back rap, you know. And the good thing is Kofi Kinata followed his rap style. It was not like Giddy Giddy Bia. It was chill, you know, vibe, and the production too was tight, very tight.
Who produced it?
Kuvi.
Kuvi.
Shout out to Kuvi. Me and him go way back. He produced I Late. He produced Awa. So
he understands your sound.
Yeah, he does.
And your vibe.
Yeah, it's a good song.
It's a good song.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Boo.
Beautiful stuff. I've missed Kofi like this. I mean, Kofi Kinata like this. So thank you for putting him on something like that.
Thank you.
I mean, Kofi switched a little bit, doing a lot of commercial stuff here, you know, but it's good you brought him back into the roots.
Yeah.
I love the video. I mean, I love the.
Thank you.
I didn't hear a word that the legend said though. I know he was saying something.
They do in a building, man. The legend, that rap, he has a patent on and they lift up wherever he goes. But I think you loved it too.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you.
No, but I know where Boo is coming from. I think brilliant. You know, the feature is brilliant. But Uncle Jedi could have done better. No. Let's be fair. I mean, we all love, you know, the rhyming and all, but I think he could have done better with. Because the way
the beat hard for him.
Me rap will give me By the book. It to show or the right there. Bottom show. Bars, man, bro.
I hear some hot dog or something.
Hot dog, not a hot dog.
How did they do it? It's hot dog. You know, everywhere he goes,
they like hot dog.
No, but it's cool.
His dog is always with him.
It's the quintessential Uncle Jedi, so we take it like that.
All right, so that's it with the audio. But we need to watch the video once again, and then we can touch on the video. We've done the audio. We need to do the video now. 05571908888 to the video. Where was it shot? Again, Takrady. Yes.
All the way to Market Circle. To Beach Road.
Bulldog mentioned Chapel Hill and the vibe I saw. Like take it way back.
Yo, but first of all, before we even move on, I have to say something about this guy here. This guy here, man, Charlie. I don't know, man. Bro, I really did see you, big man. You really be some guy. I don't want to talk for anything. Charlie, you really, the way you talk your mind, you do your thing, bro. Like I've always said, like, and I will always say it, bro. I will always say, I don't care. This guy is like, I will say it behind it. You behind it. I don't want to cause any problems. I'm saying
that's all right. So,
Charlie, I have something to say too.
No, relax.
No, Charlie, listen. Daddy, we know say you try for we. But Charlie, for the past 5 years, the same rap. Why?
I tell you, say with templates, they carry on.
Why? Then when you finish, you say Stoneboy and Shatawale Shah. But you did the same when you pick. Like they change the things.
No, he has one with Calvin Boy too.
Same thing, yeah.
No, I wouldn't say, but you should listen to it.
Both floating, why?
No, he's hot dogs. He doesn't play the dogs. Anyways, who shot it?
My guy, Thomas.
Yeah. Thomas.
Wow. Yeah. Good work.
Yeah. Has he been doing videos already? I mean, is he?
Yeah, he's coming up. We're working on, cause he at this point, I think it's only right that I find my own director that I work with that understands me. We have a chemistry.
Just like you do with Kuvi.
Exactly. You know, rather than jumping from director to director, you know. And he also happens to live in Takrady, and I also live in Takrady now. So. I mean, you guys will be seeing more of him. Yeah, very soon.
I see.
Yeah, he shot. This is the second video that he has done for me. The first one was One Sima, and then this is the second one. But we're doing more.
And I'm sure you're loving everything he's doing.
Yeah. So he's an amazing guy, man.
He's amazing.
Yeah.
Whose concept is it? Is it your concept?
Always mine.
Always yours.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
And let's talk about budgets. I know it will be difficult for you to say exactly how much you spent on it, but around what figure?
Oh, I can't say that. I can't say that. But I'll be very honest with you that I've stopped doing too much expensive music videos, you know, because
Shatta is of the same view. Like, why have you stopped doing too much expensive video?
Bro, I feel like at this moment, you know, it's not like we are making too much or so much from the music, you know, so it's all about balancing and, you know, priorities and stuff, you know, because before I had even paid for Dovlo's, the last work that I did with Dovlo, before I had paid for his own work, you know, I had already spent 5,000 euros on the music video.
5,000 euros?
Yeah, dollars, sorry.
Dollars?
Yeah.
On music video?
And then that is outside his payment for his
outside
work.
his pay?
Yeah, you know, so I don't want to do that anymore, because it's not like after that, you know, we are getting it back real quick, so I've quit that.
But the work that you get after paying so much, doesn't it tally? I mean, you look at the work, you look at the amount you put inside.
It will take some time, you know, because of the period now. You know, artists are not playing shows, and that used to be like one of our main exactly. So right now, yeah, to give Prince Dovlo 5,000, maybe go chew bones, then things to make you enjoy them. I'd rather go stack up and then you know.
So how much did you pay aside the director for this one? How much
for this one?
Yes, in terms of dollars.
In terms of dollars?
Yeah.
$10,000. I double and give up.
$10,000.
Yeah, man.
Wow. And you think shooting the, should I say, less expensive videos is okay for this time?
It's not necessarily. It's not like less expensive. You know, I feel like even if I knew earlier on this, what I would have done. You know, I've always been like the type to start my own thing with my own people.
Right.
The producer is my own people. The director is my own people. This way, when we work, we align. You know, we connect and we do stuff together.
Sure.
You know, so it's good that I'm doing that now. You know, because it works for me. This way, I can, you know, tell the director, okay, this is how I want it. You know, we can shoot it when we want to shoot it and everything. You know, so it actually works for me.
It works for you. How many days did we spend on set for this?
3 days.
3 days?
Yeah, 3 days. Yeah, because the first day, it rained and we had to wait for the next day. We couldn't finish, and then the third day, yeah.
All right, we'll be checking the stats. Boo. How about the video?
I think he's making a lot of sense, you know, and I mean, even if this phase passes in terms of COVID, we should stick to being minimalistic. Exactly. You see, it is the output that's important. I mean, this video, could easily pass for $20,000 or $30,000 video.
Right.
You understand? Right. It's what you want to see.
Eventually.
Exactly. You know, it's the view. I mean, people want to actually even relate to what you're putting out there. You know, sometimes we go the extra mile. I don't want to talk about that. I love those boys. It's just I feel the video is a little over the top. I cannot relate to that video. The video with Kwame Eugene, KD, yes. Spiritual, yes. And Patoranke, yes. I can't relate to it. It's beautiful. I think it is a Caribbean theme. Right. You know, we don't have that here. Yeah, maybe I'm not the target.
So there's a disconnect for you.
Yes.
Maybe there's a target.
Yes, maybe yes.
Yeah.
So yes, you understand. So, but that's a beautiful video. I'm sure they will spend some more. Yeah, that's their budget. But really, if you go back and look at the legends that have done it, they've always kept it simple. You know, something that will relate. You know, we keep saying that we want to go out there. Going out there starts from home. It is home that will take you out there, not you alone. You know, because when we all gravitate towards what you are doing and we all love it, we're going to push. Anytime anybody comes and we say, oh, it's Pappy Kojo who's the lead, you know, it's Shatta, it is Stone, it is, you know, if we don't relate to our people here, we can't get out there, you know. So for me, I understand where it's going, and the fact that he's building a team, you know, it will help shape his image very well, because at that point they can decide to shoot one video for a year. They need to get it right. But if you go out there and give to another director, Charlie, then you're dead. Anytime you go on set, because it's business for them.
Right.
It's not like about growing the brand.
Right.
You know, so this is more. I respect him and his team for what they're doing. Yeah.
You rate the video?
100.
100.
Straight.
Wow.
Let's up,
Pappy,
man.
rated 100, man.
Straight. No, look at the shots.
Yeah.
You know, look at the opening shot. Look at the
Thank you.
smile.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
The car shots.
Yes.
I appreciate
Yes.
this, man.
You
Thank
know,
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Who are Creatures?
Okay, Creatures is. I would actually say it's my company.
Okay.
Yeah, but I run it with my big brother Tala Sangari, and then we work together. Exactly. Okay. Good that you brought that up too.
Yeah.
Like it's all a team of us together, and they.
Because I've seen like 3 or 4 videos and
that
I've
has
seen
Creatures
who made a video.
Yeah.
So Creatures is a bunch of individuals who come together
it's
to shoot a
like
video.
all creatives. You know, we have everyone there, like producers. You know, models, everyone.
Okay.
You know, and we run. Yeah.
Good move.
Thank you.
Big man, this is a top-notch video.
Right.
There's one reason I will not score it 100 and I'll say it later. But this video, it's, I don't know. I saw the Thomas Pompoya video.
Right.
That's top-notch as well.
Thank you.
And I saw the One Sima video.
Thank you.
Another quality video.
Same director for
Same
one
guy,
season.
yeah.
Yeah, so you see, the point is, I think this guy is now investing in projecting good videos.
Right.
And most importantly, projecting secondary Takrady.
Right.
I mean, you should look at all these videos I've mentioned, including this one. The projection of secondary Takrady, like he said, the scenery, the panoramic view. There are some things these guys did in the video that excites me a lot.
Right.
Jendu Park. You know the park that they shot the video at? I don't know if
Where the keeper is so lazy, he doesn't even jump when he kicks
boss,
the ball.
if you're a football fan, I'm talking about local football. I'm not talking about Chelsea.
You know, you're outside.
No,
You're outside.
No, me, I
by the beachfront, you know. You can't take that away from them.
No, it's cool. It's cool. I mean, we all love these models and all that stuff. But
Yeah.
I felt genuinely that they could have done without that scene. That lady, you know, come in close to, because
The legend, man.
he was not on the beach side. He was not like
Rooftop, yeah.
rooftop with a legend.
I mean, look.
I can explain.
You know, but
I can explain.
Explain.
Okay, so
But your explanation won't add the.
maybe. Let me just try.
Yeah.
Shoot your shot.
Okay. So, like I said, I always grew up watching and listening to Jedu Bleambule. I never seen Jedu Bleambule being kind of like a new school guy, just doing his stuff with girls in bikini around him, like the new, you know. So I felt like, okay, Jedu is the old school king. We're bringing him into 2021. What we guys love to do. So let's get Jedu up there and get a nice girl in a bikini, just walking around him like by the whole pants. Just make it cool. Just make it cool. You know?
Nice.
You're bridging the gap.
We have explanation.
No, still doesn't cut it. Seriously, yeah? Any genuine person who understands video would say, listen, they could have done away with that. Yes, or even bring a lady, but like some traditional something, like,
You know, my director is saying you could have used an elderly woman. I wouldn't say old.
not really young hip woman, but not in a costume like that. So I felt that really. But 97 for me. That's 3 months. That 3 or 4. No, seriously, it's a 100% video.
Yeah.
But I will take that 3. Yeah. But Charlie, big video. Big video.
That lady owes you 3%.
I know.
But it's a big video, Charlie. Big video. Boss, the way you're investing in your videos and the Charlie.
I appreciate that.
You know,
Thank you.
what do you make of their commentary?
Man, Charlie, it's mad that I'm sitting here listening to these guys, big me up. I appreciate this so much, man. I appreciate this, This is what we would like to hear, We like to hear the big man, big us up, It's a great feeling. I appreciate that so much, man.
Nice.
If you do a good job, we'll talk out.
Thank you.
We will talk out.
It's only right.
But Charlie,
only right.
big ups to you. The way they do your videos nowadays,
I appreciate
Charlie.
You know, you maintain the theme for the video, the picture quality.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Solid.
Solid.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Solid.
Man. Oh, child, you guys, the bust my brain. Thank you.
If you be good, for boss your brain. If you know about to look at it.
And this is what I'll say: don't pay anybody to show it. If they don't won't show it, they shouldn't show it.
Yeah. Oh, nothing. They're the first for them.
Yeah, make it no show because this is good content for them.
Yeah.
You know, it depends on the videos that you put on your screen.
Yeah.
That will make eyeballs come to you. Yeah, if you just put anything, Charlie, everybody knows how you go here is rubbish.
Yeah.
So they won't come.
Right.
Charlie, the vintage car. The vintage car. This is the car. Where did you get a car?
I went to see my mechanic. I was like, bro, I need those 60s cars. And then they got me the right guy. I went to see the guy and I was like, yo, bro. I said, bro, hey, daddy, I need your car for a music video. I said, what for? Blah, blah, blah. Me and Kinata say, okay, let Kinata too call me and tell me that he also wants the car. And I called Kinata, yo, he said it. He said, you guys can come and have the car.
You make good use of it.
Charlie. And the car shots.
Yeah. You make good use of the car.
Thank you.
Anyway, guys, you can check the video out on YouTube. Please do that and leave a comment. Pappy would love to read from all of you. So when you watch, leave a comment. No dislikes here, man. We've all scored the video. 100% and 97. Nobody has ever had that here on show business. Pappy, thank you very much.
Thank you for having me. Thank you very much.
Man, I will still be pushing your stuff.
Thank you, man. I appreciate this, man.
Great.
Shout out to Zylofon, man. Shout out to what's the lady that Nita. Shout out to Nita, man. Shout out to Zylofon. Thank you.
Great. Okay, so we'll definitely move on to our main topic. I don't know if Pappy would love to join. If we have one main
topic. If it's too deep, yeah.
We're talking Grammys, my bro. Don't you have the Grammy dream too?
I'm the first artist to win 2 Grammys for Ghana next year.
For real?
With logos too, so yeah.
You have something to attend to.
For how long?
No, I mean we'll be done by 10.
Okay, I can stick around for a while and listen to the bosses speak.
Since you've been giving us 2 Grammys.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you guys deserve that. Yeah.
Now Bulldog made a post on Instagram. All right, so we'll go for a break. When we return, we'll touch on the Grammy proper. You know, we brushed it off on